Hi guys! So today we have two new and interesting words. The first being ostensible and the second circumspect. So ostensible means apparent or evident or conspicuous. You can say outwardly appearing as such, or professed. You can also say pretended. For example, his ostensible purpose was charity. However, his real goal was popularity. Another example could be their ostensible goal was to clean up government corruption, but their real aim was to unseat the government. The second word of the day is circumspect. Circumspect means careful not to take risks or unwilling to take risks. For example, she promises to be more circumspect in the future. Another example could be officials were circumspect about saying what the talks had achieved. So guys, make sure you revise these words. Come back tomorrow for another video. Like our video, subscribe to the channel, and also make sure you comment about all that you have learned so far. Bye guys!